Good morning to all. So in last class we completed the haloalkanes and haloarenes lesson. Now we discuss about the next organic chapter, alcohol, phenol and ethers. Alcohol, phenol and ethers. In this chapter three parts are there. Alcohol is one part, second part is phenol, next third part is ethers. One by one we learn. From this chapter, in board purpose, in annual examination, so 7 marks lesson. So in these 7 marks, so out of 7 marks, 1 2 marks question, 1 2 marks question, that is 15th question. In annual paper, 15th question, 2 marks question is it is coming from alcohol, phenol and ethers lesson. And also another one 5 marks question. So 1 5 marks question. It is 33 in that annual question paper, 33 question. So these 2 questions are coming from alcohol, phenol and ether lesson. So total 7 marks chapter. So 5 marks question and 2 marks question available from this chapter. So first we discuss about the alcohol part. Alcohol. First we will go to the alcohol. Alcohol part. So first we will go to the definition. So what is the alcohol definition? What is the alcohol definition? So definition. Alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. So alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. Hydroxy group means OH group. So this is the definition of alcohol. So alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives. Hydroxy means OH group. Derivative means product. OH group containing compound formed as a product of hydrocarbons. What is the meaning of hydrocarbon? Alkane. Alkanes are generally we are taken as hydrocarbons, and alkanes is also hydrocarbons. Generally we can consider. So suppose if we take any one of the hydrocarbon, that means alkane. So alkane we are taking alkane. So here CH3 bond CH3. This is the alkane. Nothing but hydrocarbon. Now this hydrocarbon, it is converted to alcohol according to definition, in which one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. What is the meaning of hydroxy group? OH group. That means this is alkane. This is hydrocarbon. Now it is converted to alcohol. According to definition, in this alkane, you remove one or more hydrogen atoms. That place is occupied by OH groups. Then we can get alcohol. So CH3 bond CH3. So in this example, so here, suppose if you remove one hydrogen from this molecule, so CH3 bond CH2, instead of one hydrogen, so I was taken OH group. Now this is alcohol. Now it is a alcohol molecule. Now it is alcohol. So according to definition, not only one hydrogen, one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by hydroxy group. Hydroxy group means OH group. So if you remove two hydrogen atoms from this compound, what we can get? So CH2 bond CH2. So here one hydrogen atom we can remove. Here also one hydrogen atom we can remove. So CH2. Instead of this hydrogen, we put OH group. Here also OH group. We can get alcohol. So if molecule having OH group, that is taken as alcohol. Generally we are called it as alcohol. So next, suppose if we take different other examples is also there. So in this case, we are taking ethyl alcohol. This is ethyl alcohol. Ethyl alcohol. So in the case of alcohol preparation, we are taking hydrocarbon. First we are taking hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons means alkanes. So in this alkane, one or more hydrogen atoms are replaced by OH group. Then we can get different alcohols. So this is the explanation for this definition. This is the example for alcohol, ethyl alcohol. So this is taken as a glycol. Generally it is taken as glycol. Different examples are there. Okay, general formula of alcohol. What is the general formula? General formula. According to definition, these alcohols are prepared from hydrocarbon. Generally hydrocarbon general formula CnH2n plus 2. One hydrogen atom is replaced by OH group. So that's a general formula. What is the general formula? So generally R bond OH. R bond OH. So here R means, here we are considered, R means Cn H2n plus 1 bond OH. This one Cn H2n plus 1 bond OH. General formula R bond OH. And also we can consider Cn H2n plus 1. Plus 1 means alkyl group. Here R is equal to alkyl group. R is equal to alkyl group. Okay, so this is the definition of alcohol. Next we will go to the classification of alcohol. Classification of alcohol. So in the case of classification, so already we learned in haloalkane part. So similar type of classification we learn here also. So first classification. So in this classification, so first one, monohydric alcohol. Classification of alcohol. This is the classification of alcohols. Classification of alcohols. What is the first classification means? Here monohydric monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. So in the case of mono, what is the meaning of mono? What is the meaning of mono? Monohydric alcohol. So already we know mono means one, hydric means OH group, alcohol. So that's why what is the definition of monohydric alcohol? Definition. So alcohol in which so only one OH group, only one OH group, only one OH group is present, then that is called monohydric alcohol. What is the meaning of mono? Mono means one, hydric means hydric. So hydric means OH group. So here hydric means OH group. So that's easy to understand that definition. So monohydric alcohol, one OH group containing alcohol, that is called monohydric alcohol. What are the example for monohydric alcohol? So CH3 bond OH. In this molecule only one OH group is there, that's why this is monohydric alcohol. So similarly different, suppose CH3 bond CH2 bond OH. In this molecule is also only one OH group is there, that's why it is also belongs to monohydric alcohol. Monohydric alcohol. Mono means one, hydric means OH group. One OH group containing alcohol generally we are taken as monohydric alcohol. Example, methyl alcohol and ethyl alcohol generally. So next, second classification, so that is similarly dihydric alcohol. Second one is dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. So same manner we can follow. So in the case of dihydric alcohol, what is the meaning of di? Means two. Di means two. Hydric means OH group. OH group. Tell what is the definition of dihydric alcohol? Alcohol which is having, so simply we will write alcohol which is having two OH groups. Two OH groups important. Two OH groups. This is called dihydric alcohol. Dihydric alcohol. So example, what is the example for dihydric alcohol? Example, so CH2 bond OH bond CH2 bond OH. So this is the one alcoholic molecule. In this alcoholic molecule, how many OH groups are there? Two OH groups. That's why it is dihydric alcohol. This common name is very, very important. That is taken as glycol. So IUPAC name or IUPAC name. What is the IUPAC name? First carbon, second carbon. So ethane 1,2-diol. So secondary suffix of OH group, alcohol secondary suffix, already we learned in first PUC nomenclature, whole pronunciation, whole. So here first carbon having one OH group, second carbon is also having another OH group. So that's why two carbon atoms, eth, single bonds are there, N, 1,2 diol. ethane 1,2-diol. So this is the dihydric alcohol. So next we will go to the trihydric alcohol. So in the case of trihydric alcohol, tell definition. So alcohol which is having 3 OH groups. So alcohol which is having 3 OH groups, 3 OH group, is called trihydric alcohol. Trihydric alcohol. So simple definitions. So what is the importance of this tri means? What is the meaning of tri? Tri means 3. Hydric means OH group. Trihydric alcohol. Example is also very easy to understand. That example. So example is, so 3 carbons. So that molecule should contain 3 OH groups. That molecule should contain 3 OH groups. This one. So this commercial name is important. Glycerol. This is a glycol. This is a glycerol. Examples important. So what is the IUPAC name? Same. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So in the case of IUPAC name, so 3 carbon atoms are there. That's why this is taken as, that's why probe. We are taken probe. All bonds are single bonds. A 1, 2, 3 tri, 3 OH groups. OH group secondary suffix OL. Triol. And also again we learn in nomenclature topic also how to write that name. Okay. So propane 1, 2, 3 triol. Mostly we can use glycerol name only. Here also mostly we can use glycol name. This is the trihydric alcohol. So this is the general classification. Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol. So next one, trihydric alcohol. So next, these monohydric alcohols are again classified into 3 types. So monohydric alcohols are again classified into 3 types. So that is primary monohydric alcohol, secondary monohydric, next tertiary monohydric. Okay, so in the case of this one, monohydric alcohol, so classify into 3 types. What are those? Primary, secondary, tertiary. So already we discussed in haloalkane part. Primary, what is primary, what is secondary, what is tertiary. So primary means, see definition. So in the case of primary, so primary monohaloalkane. So first we discuss about, so primary monohydric alcohol. So primary monohydric alcohol. So primary means first definition, monohydric alcohol in which monohydric alcohol in which in which OH group is attached to OH group is attached to OH group is attached to carbon, generally attached to carbon having attached carbon having one alkyl group, one alkyl group, one alkyl group. So that is called primary monohydric alcohol. So this is the definition of primary monohydric alcohol. So example, see once again, example, in the case of example, see once again. So here, example, OH group is, this is important, OH group is attached to carbon having one alkyl group. So this is the OH group. For example, this is the OH group. Yes or no? This OH group is attached carbon. This OH group is attached to this carbon having only one alkyl group. That means alkyl group is represented by capital R. This one. Generally carbon forms 4 bonds. Already 2 bonds completed. So remaining 2 bonds are filled with hydrogen. This is the primary monohydric alcohol. Okay, once again. So here first OH group, this is the OH group. Attached carbon attached. So having only one alkyl group. This carbon having only one alkyl group R. Generally carbon forms 4 bonds. The remaining 2 bonds are filled with 2 hydrogen atom. That's why this is the general formula of primary monohydric alcohol. Primary alcohol. Simply we are taken as primary alcohol. So this is the primary alcohol. Primary alcohol. For example, suppose if we take any other example for this one. So instead of R, we are taking CH3, CH2OH. This is ethyl alcohol, and also primary alcohol, primary monohydric alcohol, primary 3OH. That is also we are considered CH3OH. So this is also primary alcohol. What is this one? Methyl group is there. Methyl alcohol, as well as this is also primary alcohol. Okay, this is the primary monohydric alcohol information. Monohydric alcohol in which OH group is attached carbon having only one alkyl group. So this is the primary monohydric alcohol. Similarly, so secondary, it was represented by secondary monohydric alcohol. Secondary monohydric alcohol. So in the case of secondary monohydric alcohol, what is the definition? First of all, monohydric alcohol, simply we can take monohydric alcohol. Shortcut, monohydric alcohol in which OH group is attached carbon having 2 alkyl group. 2 alkyl groups are called secondary monohydric alcohol. Okay, in the case of this one, what is the important point? Carbon having what type of carbon? OH group attached carbon having two alkyl groups. Two alkyl groups. This one. So, according to definition, now we can write the general formula. General formula. Example is also we are considered. So, example. So, in the case of example, in this case, so first monohydric alcohol in which OH group is attached to carbon. Here OH group is there. It is attached to one carbon having two alkyl groups. So two alkyl groups means this one R. Alkyl group may be same or different. That's why we are taken as R dash. Generally carbon forms how many bonds? 4 bonds. So here how many bonds are filled? Only 3 bonds are filled. The fourth bond is filled with one hydrogen. This is the general formula of secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol. So example. See one example. So in the case of this example, we are considered alkyl group CH3 bond C. This alkyl group, instead of this alkyl group, we are taken as a methyl group CH bond OH. This is one example. Okay, what is this name? So this is the main chain. 1, 2, 3. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Second carbon having OH group. Yes or no? So that's why generally probe 2 hole. 3 carbons, probe. 1, 2, 3. First carbon, second carbon, third. So probe. Second position OH group. What is the secondary suffix of OH group? Vol. So that's why probe 2 vol. OL. So this is the IUPAC name. What is the common name for this molecule? So that is isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl. 2 CH3 groups are attached to single carbon. Already we learned in haloalkane nomenclature. In the case of common system, 2 methyl groups are attached to single carbon. What is the pronunciation? Isocarbons. Propyl. Isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol generally. Okay. So next, this is the secondary monohydric alcohol. Next we will go to the tertiary monohydric alcohol. So what is the definition? Monohydric alcohol in which monohydric alcohol in which OH group is attached to same. OH group is attached. OH group. OH in which OH group attached carbon having 3 alkyl group. 3 alkyl group. OH group attached carbon having OH group attached carbon having 3 alkyl groups are called tertiary monohydric. OH group attached is not there. OH group attached carbon having 2 alkyl group, 3 alkyl group. This is important. 3 alkyl groups. Based on this definition, now we can draw the general formula. What is the general formula for this molecule? So here we are taking OH group. OH group we are taking. OH group attached carbon. This is the attached carbon having 3 alkyl groups. One alkyl group, another alkyl group, another alkyl group. So this is the general formula of tertiary monohydric alcohol. Tertiary monohydric alcohol. This one. This is the tertiary. Generally, simply we are taken as tertiary alcohol. Okay. So primary carbon means, how to remember? Primary carbon means only one alkyl group is attached, the remaining two hydrogen atoms. So secondary alcohol or secondary carbon means, so it is attached to two alkyl group. So having only one hydrogen. So tertiary means that carbon having three alkyl groups, no hydrogen. So tertiary alcohol. So what is the example for this one? So example. So in this case we are taking, so this carbon OH group, instead of alkyl group we are considered methyl group, this one. So what is this one? What is the name? So here this is the main chain, yes or no? This is the main chain according to nomenclature. Main chain 1, 2, 3. Second carbon having one methyl group, one pole generally. 2 methyl, second carbon. This is second carbon, third carbon. So 2 methyl, second carbon having one substituent. Methyl group 2 methyl. Pro, substituent completed. Mean main chain how many? Pro. Second carbon OH group 2O. This one nomenclature. So this is the classification of monohydric alcohol. So once again, so classification of alcohol, this one. Classification of alcohol, what is that one? Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol. Easy to remember that definitions. Don't by heart that one. Easy to remember. Primary monohydric alcohol. So OH group attached to carbon having only one alkyl group, that is called primary carbon alcohol, primary alcohol. So tertiary, secondary monohydric alcohol means, so carbon having two alkyl groups. What type of carbon? OH group attached to carbon only. OH group attached to carbon having two alkyl groups, secondary. OH group attached to carbon having three alkyl group, that is called tertiary monohydric alcohol. Next, some other classifications are there. So that is some other classifications. So classification based on hybridization. Classification of alcohol based on hybridization. Already same topic we learned in haloalkanes also. So classification of alcohol based on hybridization. So based on hybridization, classification of alcohol based on hybridization. Already we learn hybridization in first BSc chemical bonding. So hybridization means, listen, suppose all bonds are single bonds. Once again recall that basic points. So carbon, all bonds are single bonds. Then that is called sp3 hybridized carbon. Okay. Suppose carbon having this is the carbon, one double bond, two single bonds. One double bond, two single bond. That is taken as, that carbon is sp2. So carbon triple bond, one single bond, that is taken as sp. So this is the basic fundamental information about the hybridization. So basic fundamental information, this one. All bonds are single bonds, sp3 carbon. One double bond, sp2 carbon. One triple bond, sp carbon. So this is taken as hybridization in basic points. Now we will go to the definition, that is allylic alcohol. That is allylic alcohol. Same we learn in haloalkane, allylic haloalkanes. Here allylic alcohol, that definitions are same. So instead of halogen we are taken as OH group. That much difference only. So remaining statements is also same statement. In allylic alcohol, what is the definition of this one? In allylic alcohol, in allylic alcohol, in allylic alcohol. So OH group is directly OH group is directly bonded with sp3 carbon, sp3 carbon, and that is further bonded with sp2 carbon, sp2 carbon. So this is the definition of allylic alcohol. In allylic alcohol, OH group firstly directly bonded with sp3 carbon. What is the meaning of sp3 carbon? All bonds are single bond. That sp3 carbon again bonded with sp2 carbon, that is called allylic alcohol, or is called allylic alcohol. sp3 carbon is called allylic alcohol. So example, see once again. So first, according to definition, we are taking one example, OH group. This is the OH group. OH group is directly bonded with sp3 carbon. That means we are taking sp3 carbon. All bonds are single bonds. sp3 carbon. Okay. Again, and that is further. That is means this sp3 carbon further bonded with sp2 carbon. sp2 carbon. This is sp2 carbon. So here hydrogen CH2, here one CH, here hydrogen atom is there, here one hydrogen, here also one hydrogen. Okay, so in this case, okay, so this is the example for allylic alcohol. Definition once again. So OH group is directly bonded with sp3 carbon. OH group directly bonded with sp3 carbon. This is the sp3 carbon. So this is sp3 carbon. This sp3 carbon further bonded with sp2 carbon. This is the sp2 carbon. This is sp2 carbon. sp2. This is the sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon. So this molecule generally we are called as allylic alcohol. This is the allylic alcohol. This name is allylic alcohol. So by using this definition, we are easy to write that structure. Don't by heart that one. So OH group is directly attached to sp3 carbon, and next to bonded with sp2 carbon, that is called allylic alcohol. Suppose instead of OH group chlorine is there, allylic chloride, allylic bromide, like that. So this is the allylic classification. So next we will go to the next classification, benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. So in the case of benzylic alcohol, this is the benzylic alcohol. So same definition, little bit changes are there. So in the case of benzylic alcohol, in benzylic alcohol, OH group is directly bonded with sp3 carbon, and that is further and that is further bonded and that is further bonded with aromatic ring, further bonded with aromatic ring. Aromatic ring means benzene ring. So this is the benzylic definition. So in the case of benzylic alcohol, first we are taking one OH group. This is the OH group. This OH group is directly bonded with what type of carbon? sp3 carbon. This carbon is sp3 carbon. sp3 carbon means remaining bonds are same. This sp3 carbon further bonded with aromatic ring means benzene ring. So here this carbon forms only two bonds only. Remaining two bonds are filled with hydrogens. So that's why. So this is the example for benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. So this is the benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. Benzylic alcohol. So allylic alcohol and benzylic alcohol. So OH group is directly bonded with sp3 carbon, and that sp3 carbon again bonded with aromatic ring, that is called benzylic alcohol. So next we will go to the vinylic alcohol. Next we will go to vinylic alcohol. In the case of vinylic alcohol, in the case of vinylic alcohol, vinylic alcohol. So in case of vinylic alcohol, we are taking the simple definition. In vinyl alcohol, OH group is directly bonded with OH group is directly bonded with sp2 carbon only. sp2 carbon. So is called vinylic alcohol. So we are taking the example. So in the case of, according to this definition, what is the example for this one? OH group, this one. This OH group is directly attached to what type of carbon? sp2 carbon. sp2 means double bonded carbon. This one. So two bonds only completed, CH2. Here three bonds only completed, CH. So this molecule generally we are called as vinyl alcohol. So in vinyl alcohol, OH group is directly bonded with sp2 carbon. That is called vinyl alcohol. So this is the classification of alcohol based on hybridization. So you read perfectly. So easy to understand with example, general formulas, definition, and also. So next we will go to the nomenclature. Nomenclature already we learned in haloalkane part. Similarly, we will go to the nomenclature. In the case of nomenclature of alcohol, So here 2 points are there. Common system, IUPAC system. So in common system, alcohols are taken as, in common system, 2 parts are there. Common system, common IUPAC. So in the case of common system, alcohols are taken as alkyl alcohol, alcohol. This is the common system name. So in the case of IUPAC, these alcohols are generally, it was taken as alkanol. Alkanol. In a UPSC system, we are taken as alkanol. Alkanol. So common system, alkyl, alcohol, you should remember this one. So in the case of IUPAC system, it will be taken as alkanol. Alkanol. So alk means always. Alk, already we discussed it in haloalkane lesson. Alk means always number of carbon, that is equal to root word pronunciation. Here also alk is there, root word pronunciation. Okay, now we will go to the some examples. So that is the formula. So next we will go to the common name. Common name. IUPAC name. Okay, so first one, simple compounds. So what are those? That is simple compounds. So CH3 bond OH. Common name. What is the common name? Alkyl. First we can write the alkyl. That means one carbon. Methyl. Next alcohol. Alcohol. Methyl. Alcohol. So next IUPAC name. In the case of IUPAC name, first we alkanol. Ol means OH group secondary suffix. Ol. Okay. So here how many carbon atoms are there? Only one. One means meth. So that means what is the methanol? Methanol. NOL. OL pronunciation. So next we will go to the, suppose if we take CH3, CH2, OH, ethyl group. So that's why what is the common name? Ethyl alcohol. Common name alkyl alcohol, like that ethyl alcohol. What is the IUPAC name? IUPAC name. So two carbons, ethanol, NOL pronunciation. Ethanol. So next one, suppose if we take CH3, CH2, CH2, OH. We are taken as three carbon atoms are there, that is a propyl alcohol. Propyl alcohol. This is taken as propanol, NOL, propanol. So next we will go to the next molecule. This is the next molecule. So CH3 bond CH bond CH3 bond OH. This one. So in this molecule, common name. So already we discussed it in haloalkane chapter. So two methyl groups are present at same carbon, that is called iso pronunciation. Iso. Three carbon atoms are there. Propyl, isopropyl alcohol. Alcohol. Okay. In the case of IUPAC name, this is the not a straight chain molecule. That's why we can take the numbers. First we select the long chain. This is the long chain. This is the long chain numbering. First carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So that means second carbon having OH group. First we can write the alkanol. Alk means root word. How many carbon atoms are there? Three carbon atoms. All molecules are here. Next, whole. That whole position, OH group position is second carbon. Two whole. Okay, next we will go to the next molecule. What is the next molecule means? This one. So here CH3 bond CH2 bond CH2 bond CH2OH. Here how many carbon atom? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is butyl alcohol. This name is taken as butanol. Butanol. And the nomenclature of alcohol, you should remember common system. Generally we are taken as alkyl alcohol. In the case of IUPAC, What is the name? Alkanol. Alk is always root word, number of carbon atom. So next, some other nomenclature compounds. So in the case of formula, this is the formula. So next, common name. IUPAC name. So case of these, so formula. Next we will go to the next molecule, CH3, CH bond CH3 bond CH2OH. This is one molecule. Generally this is one molecule. So in the case of this molecule, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atoms are there. Common system, 2 methyl groups are attached to single carbon. That's why it is taken as iso. 4 carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. IUPAC name. So this is the main chain. 1 first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. Second carbon mele 1 substituent is there. That is 2-methyl propanol. Propanol. This is the one molecule. So next, suppose if you take another molecule, CH2 bond OH, CH2 bond OH. Common system already we discussed. So glycol. IUPAC name. This is the main chain, first carbon, second carbon. So in this case, E. All bonds are ethane. First carbon whole, second carbon whole. First carbon mele OH group, second carbon mele OH group. 1, 2 di whole. So similarly, okay, this is glycerol. So in the case of IUPAC, this is the main chain, first carbon, second carbon, third carbon. So propane, first carbon mele OH, second carbon mele OH, third carbon mele OH, triol. Like that. These are the important nomenclature compounds of alcohol. You should remember this topic, very easy to understand. So first one, alcohol definition. Okay, alcohols are the hydroxy derivatives of hydrocarbon. Okay, so next we will go to the classification of alcohol. What are those? Monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol. Next, monohydric alcohol again classified into 3 types: primary, secondary, tertiary. So primary monohydric alcohol, next secondary monohydric alcohol, next tertiary monohydric alcohol. So next we will go to the some other classification of alcohol based on hybridization. Allylic alcohol, next one benzylic alcohol. Next, vinyl alcohol. So next one, nomenclature of alcohol, common system and IUPAC system, alkanol. So this is the introduction and classification of alcohol. Do practice well. So thank you.